huru apply loan nkonyorale. Karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuwegerobo bundi bachagotokonya asama tukagoche biyamona
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kusi obakirisi nigutara chilamba chabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyorero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubugima bumakiaya.
Kasomeo mwancho mwarigirire wahirire itukiriga dia ijuma mukasovene karibu sana asekionga chinsa isano na ibire cha mogaso chinkoro kwa Matilda Obaigwa yawoke vene kora asinsemo yebi mnyere sanga nente asomutando Facebook na boyo YouTube ya masemo na Getembe TV kira muchaka ekionga bamenyi bekinyoro okia obotori egyo botoka meye wadi ya Kitutu Central ime ye county ya Kisii no babukano moichano chingaki banyara konyora omubere bumusa Diok Nyabaro kotingire asemete oyo okorwa asekenyoro yaitibo me yechinsemo chabo gyakumu ebunge ya Bonchari abobisa beketaseni kyabanyanyimbo kuse korwa aseketaseni kyanyancho hano muno korwa sekyombe gya DCI nigo baikirana asenseme yo nokwira omubere oyo asenkendo ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital asibono kutukipwa chakire elimolioka chibicha chikora twasore nere dipon asanya
Samariya na kamiri manyeka inuna cho chukunde Nyabaro nkanyiti tunomo gyakum bana nje nara irengo akirwe siminga taigunga yaya mumurnaro tokira nandekera dokumurigere liganga buna tiukira kini nturara byanchunga omorore yabidi naboka na achire bakabuna naikira na nyorire ndiuki
njenkoro kwa chomo ombati anaboka mambia kongo soka go chapara umwana ataragende skuru ngoro mugati yairane guchinka narora chipikipiki tenene nsa oyo tirane pikipiki na muboli ngigera alenga kibono y'abantu bali baraliga abana nkoiro barenge skuru babogoretie nanyora nga bagonte byanga omuntu naraiga o sibire ne chingoli obekira somote okwete anje natirimboka baka nacha nanyora maeno omuntu nasibira chingoli nachikumurige naro atimo manyeti nanje namanye chifu yane gekora muneke ngerie kiya ekogera arusirie kenyoleke ngao bagote abanitibo intwe muna intwe abanyakenyoro gente ngeri kworokie kisambe kiya ntomanyetie bikora bya kurwa saka nyote kiagera kuitibo ngare na aiga mbotori
na yo mwancho murigire kurase serikali nene muraibensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto ritukoria rero nigo anyareko yetia emiswada etatu kuba amachiko ingana yakorekana ase amagacho a State House emambi ya rero ese umuswada mutangani ukorigereria amangana yo enchira serikali ekuimukia ebitambukiro byo kuguswania na boigo kwena na obokonyi chingaki chiembe basokano asibonori chikerio lirache kwene kyabuna nigo abakenya bakonyora obokoreri bwa bwango muno na boigo bakonyara konyora ebekuro anene muno banyara gukurirwa ekere kendabu chingaki emebasokano kokorekana kuse chingaki muno bono chiria chietoigo na boigo ebinto binde ebinge na boigo asense moyende neri chiko riko chiakoligereria ukorendwa wechinsana ime yense ya Kenya na lichiko linderia gatatu likomorekera naki obokorerwa kwa serikali buranyare wikira chi county chiri chikororekana muna andake nigo chigotigwa magega.
The first bill that will be transmitted for presidential assent is a mediated version of the National Disaster Risk Management Bill 2023, National Assembly Bill number 24 of 2023. This bill reaches Your Excellency's desk after a legislative odyssey stretching back to 2014. In the 12 years, it has withered a spirited legislative journey through the two houses of parliament before arriving for presidential assent in its mediated form. The bill establishes a comprehensive legal and institutional framework for disaster risk management through the creation of the National Disaster Risk Management Authority and County Disaster Risk Management Committees. The second bill presented for presidential assent is the Forest Conservation and Management Amendment Bill number 2025. The principal object of the bill is to strengthen the legal and institutional framework governing the forestry sector in order to advance forest conservation, sustainable forest management, climate-responsive forestry, forest research, and the participation of communities and other stakeholders in the stewardship of forest resources.
Na kurose wizara yobochenu ni gobono mawaziri we wizara yo umuske Aden Duale kubwatirana na barai ao animuno abagavana nabigo ne serikali yonsi banyari gukwanira igatie miroberi serikali yanyari kubeka iliyo kwenekya buna ngo barinda bari abayibori kusaba subati abangina bari bakogonkya nabigo nabana babo ebingwerere bakwana obutuko obwigoro na umurai wensi nikubono banyari kwera buna serikali nigo ekenderete kwenekya buna mubaro wa abakenya bali abagosire mu gibabo chingaki bakogonkia onyare gokya nabwigo ugukwa kwa bana ebingwerere konyare gokya ni wa ase chinyagitari chonsi ime yense.
Yes, as most maternal and newborn deaths are preventable. The challenge before us is not lack of knowledge of what works. And the Ministry of Health, Your Excellency, is therefore focusing on the practical drivers of survival, skilled health workers, emergency obstetric and newborn care, functional referral systems, blood services, and interrupted availability of life-saving commodities.
In my boards, you will find a professor and a mamafua. You will find at Gaucho. You will find a doctor and a representative of the people. Because in that setting, Namaliza, Governor, in that setting, you need somebody who connects directly to the people. In fact, there was a lady, and Dr. Gitai will tell you, one of the best members of his board at Mbagathi, which is one of the best performing hospitals in this country, is a lady named Edwina Amamafua, who I found. And he says her contribution, because she herself gave birth in that hospital, her contribution to the issues of governance is sometimes beyond some of the professionals. So that's something I would encourage for us to do across the country.
Most of the time, there is a lot of negligence in our clinics. And I'm so happy today that through this program, the issues of negligence will be a thing of the past for the Kenyan woman, for the Kenyan babies as we go forward, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I can say that most women also don't access healthcare in the right time.
I was born a premature baby. I was born at 7 months, and I was in an incubator, I'm told, for about almost 2 months in those days, and I barely survived. One of my children, who's my third born, I almost lost my life and his when I was expecting him, because it was an emergency situation where he was born also at just over 7 months. And if there is anything that I take with passion, even in Kirinyaga, and anyone who works for me knows, is the issues of maternal health. And I would want to encourage every mother, even if you're not a mother, every person who has a role to play in public service, whether it is in financial, providing the resources.
Mwaziri utenenete chinguru chomorero na bwigo sekta ya maguta ime yensi ya Kenya Muske Opio Wandai nigo sokire na kwerabuna nigo muchando obwa maguta ogendete kurigirirwa asinchira ire ya bene na nigo atabire maguta ya petroli taketi ime yensi ya Kenya na nekira kubura abakenya banyareko babaitongo na bwigo tibabasa kugoswa na abarai bage siasa abo bagendete gutumeka omuchando obwa maguta waka siasa chiabo.
Principally, because of the G2G fuel importation framework, that Kenya has not suffered the kind of petroleum products shortages that have been witnessed in vast number of countries in the region and beyond. It may look like a miracle. Why in Kenya the debate has been about price and not about availability of the stocks. We must credit this state of affairs to the G2G framework. Cargoes are now being loaded from a broader range of international supply points, including Europe, the US, Gulf Coast, India, and the Red Sea region. Again, let me clarify, because a while back there was a misrepresentation from certain political quarters that Kenyan fuel was not passing through the Strait of Hormuz. It's laughable, because as a matter of fact, the bulk of our fuel cargoes over time have been loaded from the ports of Jebel Ali, the port of Ruwais, and to some extent the port of Fujairah, all in the UAE, within the Strait of Hormuz space.
Na umancho murigere kubwatikana no mubasokana obwomorero ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya utumishi imeye county ya Nakuru uyerete abanyaruka 15 no mugusiria magimabo nigobono eserikali ane muno ase wizariri yobochenu bono banyare uko naregati yemirobere bobwate irekone muna aboibori banyare kubamanya abana babo nekiro begoteba Husenigo abo bali beserikali batebire bibire yo yayete wika tekonyara kumanyekana bono erachie gukorerwa ububali na boigo gukorerwa DNA
to Naivasha mortuary for postmortem, for performing the postmortem and also further DNA analysis. The bodies, most of them are completely charred. They are completely consumed by the products of combustion, and they might be difficult to be identified. So that's the reason why we are performing the DNA, so that the relatives can be they can be identified when we compare with the relatives.
Tumirane nande asikionga chinsa ikome chalero morogoba kulinde igendera kuyirigereria Getembe TV kubwa muno murobele oraso ya sembio noro vibes on vibes tobasaguska gendera kubwatia Getembe TV ane mona ase mitandao eri yekerero mutandao Facebook na voigo oyo YouTube na umutandao ulio TikTok asogotonyora na Getembe TV and FM Matilda ovoigo kurase bimanyeririo nyaboke veni gendera utwara uburigererio bia